everything stops, nothing left in the fountain. Nobody wants paper money, son, so you just will stop counting. Can you break the horse? Can you light the fire? What's that? I beg your pardon. You best start thinking where your food comes from, and I hope you tend a good garden. Getting down on the mountain, getting down on the mountain. Don't wanna be around when the shit goes down. I'll be getting down on the mountain. If the truck don't run, the bread don't come. Have a hard time finding petrol. Water ain't running in the city no more. Do you hold any precious metal? Can you gut the fish? Can you read the sky? What's that about overcrowding? You ever seen a man his kids ain't ate for 17 days and counting? Getting down on the mountain, getting down on the mountain. Don't wanna be around when the shit goes down. I'll be getting down on the mountain. There ain't no heat and the power's gone out. It's kerosene lamps and candles. The roads are blocked, it's all gridlocked. You got a shortwave handle. Can you track the deer? Can you dig the well? I couldn't quite hear your answer. I think I see a rip in the social fabric. Brother, can you spare some ammo? Getting down on the mountain, getting down on the mountain. Don't wanna be around when the shit goes down. I'll be going to ground on the mountain. When the oil stops, everything stops, nothing left in the fountain. Nobody wants paper money, son, so you just will stop counting. Can you break the horse? Can you light the fire? What's that? I beg your pardon. I think I see a rip in the social fabric. Brother, can you pass the ammo? Getting down on the mountain, getting down on the mountain. Don't wanna be around when the shit goes down. I'll be getting down on the mountain, getting down on the mountain. Getting down on the mountain. Don't wanna be around when the shit goes down. I'll be going to ground on the mountain. Getting down on the mountain. Making 90 miles an hour like a bullet from a rifle. Making 90 miles an hour, got pulled over by a vice cop. I paid the ticket that they gave me, then I park it on the sidewalk. Making 90 miles an hour and I drive it like it's stolen. Making 90 miles an hour like I'm blitzing into Poland. Turn like the motor in a triple-decker Fokker. I'm making 90 miles an hour and I drop it like a stolen. Ooh, she like to run and eat up the miles. Ooh, she gonna do it in Bavarian style. Ooh, she like to run, blonde hair and blue eyes. Open up the throttle, baby, wide, wide, wide. Making 90 miles an hour on my German motorcycle. I'm making 90 miles an hour and she's chipping at the bridle. I'm making 90 miles an hour on my sexy mule cow. I'm making 90 miles an hour on my German motorcycle. Ooh, she like to run and eat up the miles. Ooh, she gonna do it in Bavarian style. Ooh, she like to run, blonde hair and blue eyes. Open up the throttle, baby, wide, wide, wide. Making 90 miles an hour on my German motorcycle. Heard a little less than every mile west that I go. Making 90 miles an hour on the yellow-headed Jasper. There's a girl I wanna marry that I think I'm gonna ask her. Ooh, she like to run, baby, eat up the miles. Ooh, she gonna do it in Bavarian style. Ooh, she liked to run, blonde hair and blue eyes. Open up the throttle, then go wide, wide, wide. A dually diesel pulling hard with a horse trailer in tow. Montana side of sweetgrass and I'm headed home. Trophy buckles and whiskey bottles and a worn out saddle horn. Bareback riders and team ropers a husking tater corn. Well, the roads get better every time I cross north of 49. Well, I tip my hat and it's good to be back across the medicine line. Hurting Albertan with nothing more to lose. I guess.